Today we are introducing our new programmable sewing machine 2600-3020. It's a 300 by 200 millimeter sewing machine, programmable sewing machine. It it comes with a rotary hook. This is a bobbin case. You totally remove it. This is a bobbin size. This machine will sew up to 346 size thread. And what's unique about this machine, other than using a shuttle hook machine, this is much faster because of the rotary hook. Here's a sample we just sewed on it. We have a basic finger clamp for the demonstration. When we set the machine up for a customer, we usually do more of a professional setup. And I'll just demonstrate how it works. Machine also has a mechanical knife. At the end of the cycle, it will cut off, and you can turn it off and on the machine depending on job. But it's pretty nice machine. As far as thickness, it'll do up to 3 layers. It can't do any thicker because of the style machine, but it does much faster than shuttle hook machines.